Find out about innovative research into the whole area of hand hygiene.
More than half of infectious diseases in hospitals are spread simply by hand contact. Poor hand hygiene remains a significant threat to patient welfare, and in cases such as MRSA and C. difficile, it can be fatal. Routine hand washing with soap and alcohol-based products is one solution. However, what's critical is the frequency of the hand washing. Here at Altnagelvin Hospital, they've been monitoring hand hygiene practice among staff using advanced technology. The unique electronic tag logs the identity of the user into a software database. The system notes when the user washes their hands and the tag flashes red as a reminder when it's time to repeat the procedure, reassuring both patient and carer. At Altnagelvin, the level of MRSA has been cut by half and C. difficile by almost 40%.
We have worked very hard, in particular over the last 3 years, to tackle healthcare-associated infection, and we have been very successful in that regard. Having identified that hand hygiene is crucial, we have relied on paper-based audit in order to feed back to staff how they're doing. The advantage of the HigenX equipment, if you like, is that it provides timely electronic data on how staff are performing. These are very busy environments, very complex environments. Patients are extremely ill, much more ill in hospitals now than would have been the case 10 or 15 years ago. And so staff are very busy and often very distracted. Everybody sets out to do a good job. Everybody intends to pay particular attention to hand hygiene. But in reality, we need feedback mechanisms to understand how we're actually performing. And that's the advantage of the HigenX device.
For those very reasons, the HigenX system is also ideally suited to fast food restaurants, where hand hygiene is paramount to food safety. Galway-based Supermax have been piloting the system in its outlets across the country.
We were able to see the advantages of this system straight away. The main advantages would be to our customers. You know, the customers can see that we are preparing the food with safe, clean hands, and at the end of the day, they have the confidence that Supermax are serving safe, clean food across the counter, and that's the main advantage. There's no longer a grey area anymore. We are able to see at the touch of a button on the computer what levels of hand hygiene are being maintained by our staff in our kitchens. And you know, within the food industry, I suppose there are a lot of challenges, and we are under a lot of pressure to maintain standards and to improve standards. We have worked on this with HigenX for the last 3 years, and we think it's the way forward.
In the meantime, research continues into how the HigenX system can be applied to other areas where there's room for improvement when it comes to the spread of infectious diseases.
Isn't it great to see an Irish company coming up with those developments, and well done to the team involved. And that brings us